Welcome to CreateOne. This is the console that you can use to run your brand without inventory minimums or waste. CreateOne is free to use, or you can upgrade to CreateOne Premium to unlock professional features like uploading your own DXF pattern or using your own custom trim in your designs. From the homepage, you can see some of the styles that I've been working on recently. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to quickly interact with some of the top actions in our system, like designing your collection, placing your first order, and inviting team members to your account. There's videos that you can watch to get oriented, or if you have any questions, you can interact directly with Ask C1, our AI chat tool. If you'd like to speak with a person live, you can book a demo. To navigate around the system, you can use the menu bar on the left-hand side. CreateOne is broken out into three major sections: design, sell, and make. In the design section, you can start in the styles library and start designing your first styles. Beneath that, there are a series of libraries. The colors library is where you can upload and store all of the art files that you use to run your brand. In the materials library, you can come read up about the 50+ premium all-natural materials that we have in the system. You can read about their care instructions, content, cost, and more. The bodies library is a curated view of all of the patterns or silhouettes that you want to use in your designs. We have hundreds that you can choose from our core collection of CreateOne bodies that span menswear, women's wear, unisex apparel, etc. And here you can also upload your own DXF pattern to start building out your own custom bodies. The trims library is where you can come review the trims that are available to you in the system and upload a form if you'd like to use your own custom trim. In the collections page, you can start organizing your styles into folders to better plan for upcoming drops. The sell section is where you can integrate your CreateOne account to your Shopify store and start seamlessly launching products to your e-commerce store. In the make section, you can place orders and then track those orders as they make their way through production. In the resources tab, you can get quick answers to frequently asked questions. And if you press the icon next to your brand in the bottom left corner, you can navigate to the brand admin. This is where you can upload your payment method, change your subscription plan, and invite additional team members. This is a basic overview of how to use CreateOne to run your brand. In the next video, we'll get started by creating a style.